Welcome back to the presidential popularity contest and a big brawl competition, which is pitting United States presidents against Canadian prime ministers. All right, last time we started round two with a match between JFK and Justin Trudeau, and now we have the results of that match. By a score of 32-3, it's JFK. All right, that is 2 strikes for Trudeau, so he is eliminated from the competition. All right, that brings the scores to U.S. 22, Canada 2. All right, moving on. Today we got a match between United States President Herbert Hoover versus Canadian Prime Minister Campbell, who beat Obama in round 1. All right, so there you have it. Who do you think was better? United States President Herbert Hoover or Canadian Prime Minister Campbell? Vote now. We'll have the results sometime tomorrow. Hoover, Campbell, United States, Canada. You decide.